Hey guys, so this is a quick look at the Logitech G610 mechanical keyboard featuring Cherry MX Red keys. The reason I got the MX Red is because right now it's on sale at Newegg for $80 shipped. The regular price for this keyboard everywhere else is about $89. So I bought the red and I don't regret at all because I used to have a lot of Cherry MX brown keyboards, mechanical keyboards, and I wanted something quieter, especially when I'm working late at night. So the red fits perfect because, as you can hear, it's really quiet when you are typing. It might also be good for gaming. A lot of gamers needs this kind of smooth key punch, so as to reduce the amount of travel or the amount of force applied to the keys when they're turning or doing whatever. The reason I bought the Logitech is because it's one of the name brands, and the keyboard is at a price point where it's not any more expensive than the Chinese knockoff mechanical keyboard that's being selling for around 60-70 bucks on Amazon, and it's not crazy expensive. And I just need a keyboard that's comfortable to type on since I don't play games that much, and this keyboard fits well. It also features this kind of wave LED light pattern. Or hold the video and you can see. And this light pattern is also customizable. You can have it go from left to right, right to left. You can turn it off or you can keep it always on by using the LED key right over here. So right now, if you just press a key, it has 4 levels of brightness. And I would always suggest you to keep it at maximum brightness, because if you turn the brightness down, there is a significant LED coil whining sound. It's kind of a buzzing sound coming from the keyboard. That's really annoying. So always keep your light max or turn it off if you don't want any weird noises. You can, to customize the keys, you can press the LED light button and press any of the keys on the keyboard. So if I press the 0 key, it keeps the all the keys light up. And of course there's 4 different steps of lighting effects, but I always keep it at maximum or turn it off. And if you press light plus, let me try to grab light plus 1, it's the default effect that goes from left to right. Light plus 2, it goes from left to right. And light plus 3, it's kind of moving. It's moving from it's moving 2 directions, as you can see. So that's kind of fun. Light plus 4 is a breathing effect. And light plus 5, you might get dizzy. It's keys quickly moving when you are typing, so it's kind of typing wave effect. Some people might like it, but I think it's too distracting. And light plus 6, I don't think I think there's the function key 1 to 5, and 0 is the amount of it's the functions that you can use to control the light without actually going into the software. And the problem with Logitech Gaming Software is it's not compatible with Mac, or at least for this keyboard. For Mac, I think the newest update of Logitech Gaming Software for Mac supports the G810, the Romer G version with RGB chroma, spectra light, whatever, that features the full color RGB lighting effect. But I didn't get that keyboard because, one, it's a little more expensive. Second, I really want a red key that's not clicky. and the Roamer G is kind of like brown with the shorter travel distance. So I got the G610 Cherry MX Red version, and it works overall. It works really good with a Mac. I'm surprised because another plus is the volume control key. It's really easy to access and mute, so that's awesome. And another huge plus is the default score lock and pause break is actually default by controlling the brightness of the screen, which is also fantastic. So all the function keys are here, and you can further customize it. For example, I actually customized the pretty much useless keypad keys to do a whole bunch of different things. The mission control, the dock, and show desktop, which is kind of fun. And also use the plus to show the dock, which is nice. And as you can see, I also switched the Windows key and the Alt key because on the Mac it's more natural to actually hit the command right over here next to your spacebar, and it's really easy to customize in the software to switch the keys around. And over here I just popped the keycap and flipped it. The function key, it's useless on Mac. The right click key or whatever, the manual key in Windows, it's useless on Mac. Also useless is the insert key. This two keys doesn't function. And other than that, I've been really happy with the keyboard. The LED light is really cool. It also have indicator lights for caps lock and number lock and such. But right now they don't work because I customized them with the different keys. And also it have a command key disable function. It doesn't work on Mac. It works in Windows because when I click this and I hit the command with other functions, it still works just fine. It might be still disabling the Alt key, so it's pretty useless on a Mac. And other than that, really happy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, enjoy the video and thanks for watching.